Hi, my name is Jacob. I'm the customer support engineer here at Ekotrope. Been here a little bit over a year now, and whenever you hit contact support or try to email our support line, you get me. Contacting support is very simple. Whether you have a question about a project or just have a question in general, head down to the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see a contact support button that you can click. As you'll see here, this will bring up a dialog that lets you enter your question. You can enter your email address, and you can even see that when you contact support, support will be able to see what page you're on. When you type in the subject line, it actually searches our help articles. So if you have a question about a wall, you can see all the relevant wall sections. If you don't want to do that and you just want to see our support articles, you can go to search articles and type in wall. Here, type in your message, I need help with this wall. And then you can hit submit and it'll be sent straight to our support team.